Hey, we're here at our second anniversary, man, with Xtream FX Global Academy. 2 years in business, it's still growing strong. It's the new year, new beginning. It's time for a change. Xtream is the company for the future. We're cutting edge, innovative, and we're looking for some exciting people to help us get to the next level for 2023.
We have a great community that we call the Xtream FX community, where we just operate in love. We want to see everyone win. And one thing that we always say here in Xtream is that we are the founders that can be found. We want to see you succeed, and we're also going to be doing that right alongside of you.
Xtream FX is a great investment simply because you have a way to learn about money, to make money, to gather money, and then to invest money.
To leave a generational wealth or leave a legacy for our families, we need to be able to take all of those steps.
Xtream FX provides the opportunity for growth and to work among professionals who really want you to grow.
We teach people from start to finish how to understand the chart from the economic side all the way to the analytics side.
We're literally helping people across 5 industries to generate income. So this is absolutely the place to be. Real estate, trading, financial technology. We also have a blockchain project and a very powerful affiliate marketing program.
We learn from each other. We love on each other. So this is a great place to come and just create relationships.
What made me say yes was the feeling of the community, knowing that you're not doing this alone and you're able to get in and make money with like-minded people.
I'm learning, I'm excited about it, and it's something that I know I can show other people as well.
Wherever you came from, we just want to say thank you and we appreciate you. We're super excited about 2023 and the year that we're going to have before. We got more events coming up, more technology, great new apparel, more strategic partnerships. We're going to make a whole lot more money, bringing a lot more students and be able to take this company to the next level. And we just want to say thank you, we appreciate you, and we're looking forward for an amazing, exciting 2023 as we take this company to the next level.
Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, family. What's going on? It's your boy, Agent Dynamite.
Hello, good morning, good morning. Good morning, family, good morning. Who's ready to get on these charts?
Hi, what's up, Doc? You ready to rock out there?
Yes, sir, yes, sir.
All right, let's get to it, man. Drop some fire in the chat, fam, if y'all ready to go out there on the other side. Guys, listen, make sure you go ahead and put in your morning pairs, whatever you're looking for, any indices, any forex pairs, put them in the chat, guys. We're going to see what the market is giving to us today. As we always say, we're waiting on the move. We're not chasing the move, right? Put some ones in the chat if you understand the difference. We are waiting on the move, right? So let's get it started, King Nelson. What you seeing? How she moving this morning?
Yes, sir. Man, the market is always a good place to be in the morning. You know what I mean?
Yes, sir.
So this morning, family, we're waiting on good setups, right? We trade setups and setups only. Again, we trade what we see, not what we feel, right? We trade what we see, not what we feel, man. It's a good habit to get into in these charts. All right, so looking like gold is about to set up again. As soon as we get this pullback, we could get a sell on gold. Let me see here. 5 minute, 1 minute. All right. Yeah, again, put in some of your pairs in the chat. Let me see here with gold. Gold, I'll put a sell stop on gold. 1908, 1908 on gold. A sell stop 1908 on gold. It's a 1 minute sell stop there. US 30 and indices, we got to see a pullback first before we even attempt to get into these indices. All right. Let's see here. We look at oil.
All right, man. She looked like she is starting to wake up a little bit.
Oil took off already.
Let me see. Pippin looking for gold. Dr. Adams, good morning.
I think gold activated, I believe.
Let me see. Pull that. I'm gonna go backstage for a minute, Doc.
Yeah, there it is. Gold drop, baby. Gold is in the money. Come on, y'all. Gold is in the money. Look at that drop. Come on, y'all. Move of the day right there. Look at gold. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Did anybody catch that gold? Anybody catch that gold with me? Oh my gosh. Family. Look at gold. Look at gold. I gave out the sell stop and it is in the money. It is in the money. Gold. Gold is in the money, y'all. Yes, sir. Johnson, you are in the money. Let's go. Let's go. Family, if you got in the gold, let me hear some noise in the chat. Come on, y'all. Blow up that chat if you got that gold.
Dre made it clear. 1908. Yep.
Yes,
Malia, good
sir.
morning. Okay. Had to pull up some extra screens in here, man. So I want to see more. I needed some more eyes in here, man.
Let's go, y'all. Let's go.
Said great call out. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Yes,
Thank you.
sir. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you very much. We appreciate you. Thank you from the depths of our heart. We really appreciate it.
Let's
All
go.
right.
That's one good setup right there, family. You was in the money with gold. Gold gave out some biscuits and gravy this morning.
Yes, Lord.
Yes, Lord.
Yes, Lord. Slap it up. Slap it up. Let me get there. Let me see. I am pulling up my secondary deal, man. I'm looking at our scanner, man. Euro Chef looks to be setting up on a 1 minute dot.
Euro Chef?
Yeah, Euro Chef like it's doing something. And
Let's check it out.
Check that out. See what you're seeing there.
Yeah, buy stop, 1 minute buy stop. Let's make sure that it's in confluence. Yes, sir. It's pulling back right now in the 1 minute, 5 minute as well. It's probably going to be a 5 minute setup.
Yeah, it looks to be that way on the higher setup, on the higher time frames.
Yeah, so we might have to wait for a little pullback, but we also just could put in, all right, we could put in our buy stop. This probably won't activate till later on today, but it is in confluence with the trend. Let me check this out. 1 hour. Oh yeah, it's buying. All right, it is buying. We're gonna wait for the 5 minute setup on here on Euro Chef. That 1 minute is pulling back. All right. Let me see in the 15 what it's doing. Oh, it's probably pulling back to this candle here. Let me check it out. Yep. That's where it's pulling back to.
Okay.
We're gonna put a buy stop in this real soon right here on this 5 minute.
Somebody asking for CAD JPY for Excel setup. CAD JPY.
CAD JPY. Oh yeah, that's looking beautiful. Again, that's the same thing as we're doing with Euro Chef. It's a 5 minute setup, right? It's gonna be a 5 minute setup. Oh, look at that hour, bro. Look at that hour. 30 minutes an hour. Uh, 30 minute buy stop happening right now. Overall, 1 hour buy stop on CAD-J.
I see it. I just switched it to another screen. Okay. On
That
it got a nice 30-minute buy stop developing though.
Yeah,
30
yep,
minutes.
I see it.
It's setting up very nicely.
I
I
see
think
it.
I will wait on the 30 minute for this deal to activate on that side and be patient with that one.
Yeah. Yeah, I would do the same. The setup is on the higher time frame is a buy, in the lower time frame is a sell. So that's telling us that it is a pullback. Right? These sells setting up for that higher time frame buy.
Yes, Lord. That's what
1 hour. 1 hour is a beautiful buy as well.
Yeah.
So here it is, fam. I'm gonna give you a buy stop for the higher time frame, and just be patient with this. Right, the higher time frame buy stop is price is at 110.439. 110.439. That is a buy stop for CAD JPY.
There you go. Let me write this one down. Yeah, I like the higher time frames. It gives a little bit more safety, security, patience.
Right. Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? Lower time frames, when you see it, you got to be in and out and really make sure you're paying attention to how that move is moving. Higher time frames gives me a little better feel.
It's 6:16 family here in California. It's 9:16 on the East Coast.
Yes, Lord. Things are moving steadily.
Hey, Dynamite. I just got good news. Like yesterday, we went to the hotel where we're having the boot camp, and I'm able to do the New York session that Friday morning.
Really?
Yes.
Okay.
The boot camp, we're gonna have live New York session 6 in the morning.
6 in the morning with the coffee, bro.
Yes, sir. We're going to Pipalicious Cafe.
Let's go. Talking about the overnight scenario. That's gonna be good stuff, man. Hey, listen, everybody's gonna be able to make it out on that side, man. Come up, pull up. Let's have a good time.
We have a lot of students coming out. A lot of students.
Yeah, it is definitely gonna be for the absolute enjoyment.
Yes. So we're waiting for these indices to pull back, y'all. It usually does this in the morning, and then gives out the direction as soon as that's 6:30. If we could catch that expansion, that'd be awesome. But you also want to make sure that your setups are right? If your setups are not aligning up, right, your confirmations, you simply don't take that trade until it develops, right? Until it develops. As soon as it develops, it gives us a better chance for winning that trade. All right, family. So we're gonna be patient in the market this morning, as we always do.
Man, I'm scanning it, Doc, and it's nice and slow motion this morning.
Yeah,
It's nice and subtle waters. I don't see a whole lot of action this morning, family, and which is great. You know what I'm saying? You know, you want to jump in and find the trade. You know, that's always great, but it's also when you don't see one, learn from that. You know, that's always been my experience. If it's not something there, don't force something trying to catch a move and there's no move there. Well, when I put the cash in up for this morning, it said we are going to wait on the move of the day, not even knowing, right? No pun intended, that today was going to move slowly, but that's just the game.
Yeah.
We can't force the move. We could just see it. I love when Nelson always say, man, we trade what we see.
Yeah.
Right. Not what we feel, not what we thinking, is what we see.
Yeah.
Right now, I see the waters moving very slowly. You know what I'm saying?
Well, we caught that gold, right? We caught the
that
gold.
was a good one.
Man, that was a nice little drop on gold.
That was good early on. And let me see. Let me go to the news and let me see if there's something coming out today. Let me see if I see something in the news.
Yeah, these indices looking pretty nice. Let's see what GU, GJ.
Okay, we got one red folder today. Uh, 10 o'clock. We got some news at 10 now, so that might be what
it's setting up for.
Why it's moving slow-mo.
Euro USD. Yeah, we just got to be patient, family. We got a good trade this morning with gold, and so we wait for the next setup. All right, we wait for the next setup. U.S. oil already bought up in the morning. We got like 10 more minutes, family. 10 more minutes for this, for the market to open, and then it will decide what direction, right, the market will expand in. Usually, family, listen, man, I really, careful on more careful on these indices, right? So you really have to make sure that the direction is the right direction you are in. As soon as you get into those trades, right, and it starts going headed in the wrong direction, right, you start getting emotional. Right, you start feeling all kinds of emotions, right? So you got to be able to be patient and
wait. Yeah. Wait. The news at 10 o'clock is about consumers. Financial conditions is a leading indicator of consumer spending, which accounts for a majority of overall economic activity. So it is a consumer confidence. The Conference Board Incorporated has some announcements coming out at 10 o'clock. So you guys pay attention, relax for a little bit, get some coffee at the Pipalicious Cafe.
Yes, sir.
And just take it all in. I'm seeing a little bit of movement here. Again, let's just see what it looks like on Euro, JPY, and Euro USD. Both of those got a little setup on the 5 minute.
Yeah, I'm looking at it right now.
Yeah, we got a nice little
buy stop on the 5 minute. But overall, it's selling. Right, so in the higher time frame, it's selling. So
especially that 30 minute, minute sell looks a whole lot better.
And you can see the trend on this thing, right? It's just that right there. I think that's a 618 trade. Looks like a 618 trade already.
Yeah, from the 1 hour. You looking on the 1 hour side?
Yep, 618 from the 30 and the 1 hour. You look at expansion on down there, broke that structure, right? And then that's a pullback right into the golden zone. Check that out. Yep. 50, right there. Look at that.
Ling, 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 ling.
That's right at that 50.
And you see that eye? You see that eye from the Pipalicious Cafe? Didn't even pull up the Fibonacci. Didn't even pull up the Fibonacci. Somebody said that Fibbo. Who? Fibbo? What? Nachi? Nachos? Fibonacci. We always talk about like the basic trading principles never leave. Like the eye to see what you see in the chart, guys. The more you do it, the easier it becomes. King Nelson looked at that, said there's probably a 618 pullback just based on price action, how it's moving with the candlesticks, and look what we see right there. Pull up to the chart, golden zone. Man, give it up for King Nelson, man, all the way from the Pipalicious Cafe with that latte eyeball. To see the 618 golden zone. You know what I'm saying? Didn't even need the Fibbo. Just looked at the confluence and looked at price action, guys. Listen, I'll take our educators over anything any day of the week. Look at that eye. Good stuff right there. That's old school trading, guys. You never lose the principles. Tools are great, but you know, more confidence. Everything about this system just gives you more confidence to be able to see when to get in and out of a trade and how to move. But please, man, please, sir, stay in your academy.
Yes, sir.
Stay in your academy and learn the mystery of the charts.
We are getting a nice pullback right here on indices already.
What we looking like?
We're looking like it's gonna drop. We're looking like it's gonna drop, right, family? So let's wait for the setup to be complete, and then we are in that trade. Right, Jared 30 already giving us a nice setup on the 1 minute. NAS 100 as well. The setup on 1 minute time frame. Man, these 1 minute time frames are killer.
Yeah, that's what I'm looking
They're
at.
looking
right
beautiful. Check out that 5 minute. Confirmed. All indices confirmed. Right, we just gotta wait for that 1 minute setup, y'all. Oh, look at that, man.
Take your time. Any of y'all in the chat see something you wanted to put our eyes on? You got a question? Please feel free. Please, ma'am. Please, sir. Drop it in the chat. Everything looks to be moving nice and settled. We're just waiting for the setup right now.
Yeah, family. Setup is everything. Right, you don't want to get in too early or too late. Right, you want to get too early or too late. You just want to get in at the right time. Right, so when you're patient enough to wait to get in at the right time, man, you're just gonna be, you got that steak and eggs waiting for you. You know what I mean?
Yes, sir.
If you get in too early, right, you start looking around for the waiter, like, what's going on? Well, my food, all kinds of emotions, right?
They done went to the next table.
Yeah,
so you find out you at the wrong restaurant. It don't went a whole nother direction.
US 30 setting up, family. US 30 is setting up. Who's ready for that one? I know some people. I know somebody dropped it in the chat for US 30. All right, US 30, man. This is just a beast. It's about to set up right now. Come on, pull up. I need to pull up a little higher.
How many of you guys waiting on this indice move? Who's waiting on this indice move right now this morning?
Yes, sir. Come on. SPX, look. SPX is setting up as well. I just mentioned all indices are setting up for a sell, right? All indices are setting up for a sell. Now, is it going to sell? The setup looks good, right? The setup looks good for the sell. We just got to wait for the one more confirmation. I'm waiting on one more confirmation here. I needed to pull back a little bit more, right, to give us that perfect entry. Right, entry is everything. If you enter too early, you don't want to do that, right? You want to make sure that you're in a pullback, right? So you want to get in at if it's a sell, it's a lower low. You want to get in at a lower high. You don't want to get in on the expansion. When it's expanding, you want to wait for another pullback.
Man, listen, that's a jewel right there, guys. Write that down if you missed that, man. You do not want to get on expansion. How many of y'all early in your trade career, you see it moving, you like, I'm about to go right now. It's moving.
Yeah.
And you jump in as soon as it's like the universe knows as soon as you get in, it turn around. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah. Well, it's the law of the market. It's a law. Right? That's what you gotta understand. The law of the market is if it creates a lower low, it's going to create a lower high. Right? If it creates a lower low, you're gonna see a lower high.
Wait on it. Once it expands, the move already
pull
happened.
628, family. It is 628.
All right, if you inside of a trade, pay attention. If you're not in one, wait for a second.
Yeah, just hold off. We getting there. We already caught one good trade with gold, and we want to continue that. We want to continue that streak. You know what I mean?
Absolutely.
Come on, US 30. There you go.
139.
Oh, I was gonna sell stop on US 30 right there, but it already hit.
She won't let you get in there.
Hold up for that pullback. All right, the market's about to open. The market is about to open. It's probably gonna open with a nice pullback. If it does open with a pullback, family, we'll get in on that sell.
Yeah, let's see.
I got my finger on the trigger on that US 30.
All right, market
open. Let's see what it does here. I want it to pull back. There you go.
She fighting. She dancing right now.
Yep. There you go. Pull back, baby. Let's get it.
Yeah, this is the best part of it when you're waiting for it, you can feel it in your gut.
Yes, sir. It's pulling back, family. This is what we want to see. All indices are pulling back right now. This is what we're waiting for. There you go. Yeah, let's put a sell stop on US 30. If it goes below this, it's gonna sell. All right, its sell stop is 33783. 33783. Sell stop on SPX. I'm gonna put it lower than this right here. Sell stop on SPX 4305. Nas is already gone. Nas is already selling, y'all.
I'm gonna put this in the chat for those who's following the indices. US 30 sell stop. What we are gonna do, and this is all for fun. This is what we are recommending for us. If you decide to go with us, is enter at your own risk.
Yes. Let's go. I might put another entry for US 30. It's pulling back, giving us a nice setup for US 30, but that setup for that lower low. If it breaks that lower low, that thing is going to drop, family. It's going to drop. Come on, there you go. I'm liking the setup with US 30. I need to pull back a little bit more with US 30. JER 30, sell stop. JERM 30, sell stop. JERM 30, sell stop. Price is 15278.08. 15278.08.
SPX looking bad.
Yeah, it's gonna wait for that. If it breaks the structure in a higher time frame, you can get out on that SPX. But US 30, I'm going to give out another entry point with US 30. Entry point US 30 for that sell stop. Another entry. 33812. 33812. 33812. 33812 for that sell stop on US 30.
That's good, guys. When you, as you say, don't overcommit.
Yeah.
Yeah, and I see how she pushed up. She's still rolling up.
Yeah, I'm gonna put another sell stop on SPX. As soon as we get that good setup on SPX.
Yeah, let me see on the 5 minute. Yeah, she just had a nice push up. She's still pushing up, even on the 15 minute for the US 30.
Yep.
Be patient, family.
Yes, be patient. Be patient.
Take a good breather. Put on some jazz. Trade with your slippers on. Keep your anxiety down.
Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. This pullback right here, family, on indices is only a pullback. The trend is a sell trend, right? So these pullbacks, man, they're collecting liquidity in order to go in the direction that they're already going in. Let's get ready for that drop, family. Get ready for the drop. Dun, dun, dun. Let's be patient. Be patient. Let's go. Let's go. Gold is still in the money. Whoever got in that gold trade, man, you must be up big with gold.
Miss Lynn Chandler, good morning. Yeah, the Germ 30 was a sell stop.
Yeah, Germ 30 was a sell stop. Right, 1 minute sell stop, 5 minute confirmed.
So we're patiently waiting.
Wait, yes. The 5 minute, man, we'll probably get another 5 minute sell stop on Germ 30.
Yeah, man, this is one of those days, guys, where you just wait your turn.
Yep.
You wait.
Wait. That's what's so good about sell stops and buy stops, right? You put in your pending order, and as soon as it starts going in your way, in your favor, it picks you up and takes you to your destination, right? But you gotta be patient for it.
Mm-hmm. And if it's not there, that's okay.
Yeah, it's not there.
It's just not there.
Yeah,
I'd rather not be there or
Yeah.
get in the trade and it go the other way.
Right.
I rather preserve my capital.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
You know, we don't jump in the market and donate to the market makers. We are not. If you want to donate something, give to your local charity or 501c3 or something like that. You know what I'm saying?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
But do not play with the market makers.
Yeah, they will. They will take your money.
Yeah. And won't even say sorry.
Yeah.
Thank you.
No gratitude letter or anything.
Nothing. They don't even write you. They don't see your email. They don't say, listen, come back again next time. I mean, even if you go to the fair and you playing a little game, if you miss, at least they give you a deal to play again. You know what I'm saying?
Right.
the market makers don't do that. You lose, you make a bad entry. It's just see you next time around, buddy.
All right, SPX. I'll give another sell stop on SPX.
Take your time. What you got?
4310. 4310. 4310. Sell stop SPX.
All right, here you go, ladies and gentlemen.
Sell stop on NAS. Sell stop on NAS.
Ooh, boy, that joint.
Sell stop on NAS is 14673. 14673. Now, family, listen. This might activate later on, right? Because these pullbacks, right? These pullbacks are collecting some liquidity, right? So if it doesn't happen right now, it'll probably activate later on. But we're hoping that it drops while we're on the live, right? Because the setup is right. Right? The setup is right. You just gotta be patient. I want to pull this US 30 up a little higher. Another entry on US 30, right? Another entry on US 30 is 33821. 33821. 33821. That's another sell stop. Another entry. You got 3 entries on US 30. You got 1 entry on NAS, and you got 2 on SPX.
Yeah.
Let's go. Let's go.
This 1 minute setup on US 30 is forming, but it's about to drop here in a little bit. Once it's finished doing what it's doing, it's gonna drop.
Yeah, it's collecting some liquidity.
I see it to the left. It had to make up some lost traction over there.
Yeah, clean up. It's cleaning up a little bit.
It's going through the wash for sure, but it's gonna drop. You can see
Germ 30. Another entry on Germ 30, right, is a sell stop 15295. 15295. 15295. Sell stop US Germ 30. Another sell stop with Germ 30. SPX, you are in the money with the second entry. You are in the money with the second entry. Let's go. Let's go.
Patience.
As US 30. Let's go. Come on. Let's go.
Patience.
Let's go.
She dropping. Here come the push.
Let's go. Come on, y'all.
Hope you guys have been setting up patiently. Oh man, that woman
let's go.
Really good. She looking really, really good. Oh man.
Let's get it, y'all. Let's get it.
On a 15-minute, that expansion unstopped. She done started the retrace.
Let's get it. Let's get it.
Oh.
Come on, y'all. Come on. Be patient. Nas is in the money. Going back and forth, fluctuating. Let's go. She wanted to push down.
Thank you, Ms. Wilson.
Yeah, don't forget to collect that too, man. Family, don't forget to collect when you in there. You know. Let's go. Let's go. Be patient. Be patient. Let's get it. Let's get it.
Who got some of that US 30 move right there? Any of you guys catch some of that? Before she started to roll back up, did you catch some of that? I hope you got
US 30, man. Just that little drops, man. Be catching some good pips.
She did. She's shooting back up right now. I hope you got in and out.
Yeah, she collecting still.
Mm-hmm.
Nas about to give it out again, y'all. What was the entry point on Nas?
14,673.
Yep. Be patient, family. Be patient with these. Let's go. Let's go. Setup is looking nice.
Yeah, if you jumped in that NAS, that 673, you should already be in that trade.
Yes, sir.
That's already 10, 15 pips right there. 15 still pushing down.
Let's
28.
go.
You should got 15, 20 pips off of that setup right there.
She dropping, yo. She dropping, yo. Come on,
She
Nana. There you go, right there. NAS in the money again. Let's go.
That was 20 pips on that move. If you got on that 14,673.
Let's go, y'all. That pip and dip, y'all. That pip and dip.
Yeah, Lord. That was a clean 20.
Yes, sir.
I love it. How many of y'all caught that NAS? Who caught that deal? Clean setup. Let me look at this German 30 real quick while we sitting over here.
Yeah, German 30 hasn't activated yet. It's still pulling back. It's got some liquidity to the left, right? So be patient with that one. NAS with the pip and dip is doing good.
Let's see. Yeah, German's just, she's still hanging on.
These are pullbacks, family. On the higher time frame, these are sales. Right. So when it's pulling back like this, the banks are going to collect some more liquidity. NAS 100 is in the money, y'all. NAS 100 is in the money again. It is dropping. Let's go.
Yeah, it sure is.
Yeah, wait for SPX, man. Wait for SPX. I'm telling y'all, man. If you're in SPX with the first entry point on the bottom, be patient with that. That second entry point, you should be already in the money again. What is the second entry point?
Second one for SPX 3043, 4310.
Yep. Yeah, let it play out, y'all. I don't know if the first one, the first entry point activate already. The second one at 4310. Yes, sir. NAS is giving out that bag, family. Right, it's giving out that bag. Watch the US 30 trade. Watch it. If the bot broke, watch the US 30 trade. Right? Don't risk all your capital on that. US 30, you need to have a big account to trade it. You see on the US 30, 5 minutes. Yeah, I see that nice pullback. Nice pullback with US 30. NAS, let's go. Let's go. I told you come on, these indices are gonna drop. Look at that. Let's get it, y'all. Let's get it. NAS 100. Let's go. Let's go. You are in the money with NAS 100. SPX is dropping as we speak. You should be in the money with SPX. SPX is back in the money. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. What did I tell you guys?
Patience.
Told you, patience.
Patience.
Right? The setup is right.
Somebody was on here with like, man,
come
the
on,
market
y'all.
ain't moving. Man, this is getting boring. Patience.
Come on, y'all.
Patience, man. That was
Come
beautiful.
on, y'all. Look at that drop. Somebody caught that drop. I don't know who did,
643.
but somebody caught that drop.
Man, we called this all the way at 670.
I'm telling you, it's a pullback. If you understand how the market moves, right? The market moves consistently. It moves in constant moves, right? If there's a lower low, there's going to be a lower high, right? And when there's a lower high is created, it's gonna create a lower low. This is what we're catching, family. We're catching these reversals. I've said this multiple times. If you can master that reversal, man, you'll be great at trading.
Absolutely. Get in your academy. Guys, this
Yes,
is
sir.
30. This is 30 plus pips from Nash from 673. She's all the way down to 649 right now, guys. Like, this is a great move for you.
Yes, sir. It's
Patient.
still gonna drop. It's gonna
And
give out some more,
not,
right?
it's not
Listen,
finished.
yeah, but you gotta collect, right? You gotta collect and wait for another entry. Family, you gotta collect and wait for another entry, right? Secure the bag. Secure the bag. At least, you know, one entry, close it.
Absolutely.
Right? That's what I usually do.
There we go. What's up, the real pit boss? You see it. Nowhere on earth we're here in Xtream, man. Listen, we pay attention, man. We pay attention to our own house and watch how we moving right in here, guys. If you got some of that latte from the Pipalicious Cafe, let me see some dollar signs in the chat. If you caught some NAS, here we go. All right, here we go. Dr. Benjamin said he caught some NAS. T. Thomas said he caught some NAS.
It's back in the money. It's
giving
back
it out again. It's still dropping.
I told, man. Right, US 30 gonna do the same thing, family. If you got those two entries that I gave out earlier, if you still got those two entries in place, keep them. That thing's gonna drop and give you. Look at the bag, y'all. Come on, y'all. Look at that NAS.
Ooh.
Come on. You cannot make this stuff up.
She made a lower low.
She made the new lower low. Look at that.
She just made a lower low.
Look at the new. Oh, come on, y'all.
Look
that
at
US
that
30 is
1 minute.
dropping. It is gonna drop, family. It's gonna drop. It's
She
gonna
made,
drop.
and she's still pushing on the 5 minute. Guys,
I'm telling you, man, this is gonna happen.
If you look at the 15 minute, it's a low below that one. She pushing.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. SPX, family. Who's catching that SPX? Who's catch? Come on, y'all.
All right. Hey, listen. Hey, Nelson.
I need multiple bells, bro.
He feeling
US
better now.
30s. Come on, y'all.
better. He was saying, Pip, hey, SPX is looking bad. It ain't looking good.
Come on, y'all. Come on.
Be
we don't
patient,
play over
brother.
here.
Be
We don't
patient.
Man,
Be
we don't
patient.
play over here.
I'm happy for you, bro. I'm happy for you.
Let's
I can feel
go.
it. Had your spirit feeling a little left for a little bit. I can feel you through the screen. I can feel
Yeah, that brother was like, that brother, SPX not looking good, not looking too well. Come on, y'all.
Be
Come on,
patient.
y'all.
Allow it to set up.
Yes, this is what we do. This is what we do, family. This is what we do.
And it ain't always comfortable, but that's all right. As we
Yeah,
always say,
yeah.
you know.
Yo, listen, the market will test you.
Yes, Lord. Yes, you'll find out what's in you. You'll find out one way or the other. You're gonna find out.
You're gonna find out one way or the other.
Lord have mercy. I done had to learn that the hard way. Guys, if you ain't got no patience, it's gonna show.
Yeah.
If you got it, it's gonna show.
Yeah.
If
you
you
know,
impulsive, it's gonna show.
Yes.
And that's why we try. It sounds cliche when we say trade what you see. Wait.
Yeah, wait patiently. Patiently, right? Because the market and the market, listen, you know what I've learned? The market is predictable.
Mm-hmm.
It is predictable. Right? It's predictable. But you got to be patient. You got to be patient and wait for your confirmations. The more confirmations you have, the better your trade will be. Right? The better your trade will be. If you know that it's the market's in a bearish trend, it's predictable. If you know that the market's in a bullish trend, it is predictable. Right? You can't predict this market. Are you always going to be right in your predictions? No, nobody's always right in their predictions.
No.
Right? But you can make predictions. Right? You can make them. And the more confirmations you have, right, the more confirmations you wait for, and you're just going to be a better trade, right? Your win ratio will be much greater, right?
Absolutely. Man, I'm grateful for those moves right there, guys. I hope that was it. You know, you got your move, you
Yeah.
got your gold move early. We caught a different setups, and the indices took you all the way in. I think we're good, bro. I mean,
Yeah, we done. I don't know who made some money.
right?
That's the big question.
That's
You know what I mean?
that's the question.
Did you make some money? You know what I mean? That's the key question, right?
That's what
Was
it's
you
all here for.
or you? This what you when you ask yourself too was I patient?
Mm-hmm.
Right? You want to ask yourself those deeper questions. The money was good. Now, was I patient on waiting for this setup?
Yeah, that's true. That's good.
Journal this. Be like, man, I felt like I want to do 10 jumping jacks, 20 push-ups, man. And, you know what I mean? Just to get this adrenaline out, you know, you got to journal this.
It's energy. Understand
journal.
your energy. Man, that's good
Yes.
stuff, man. Guys, if you don't have a trading journal, please, sir, get one. I think that was the turning point for my trading career, Nelson. Is when I started journaling what I felt and what I traded.
Yeah.
Because it
helps.
gets from being emotional to logical. Yeah, I'm saying that
Yeah.
when you start logically understanding your emotions, then it takes it to another level. And
Absolutely.
so logically,
Absolutely.
you have to understand your emotions.
Absolutely, bro. I when I started journaling as well, I started recognizing certain emotions that I have.
Mm-hmm.
And so when I was losing trades, I had a certain emotion, right? I had like anger, I had like resentment, man. I just felt like, man, what am I doing, right?
Mm-hmm.
And I write these down, and then I be patient in the market, and it starts to go my way, and then I start feeling a better emotions, right? More
Exactly.
emotions of gratefulness, right? And so you got to recognize when you start seeing those emotions, you already know like what's going on at that moment.
Yeah.
Right. So if you're feeling resentment, or if you already, man, I gotta learn how to. But the best thing about this is there's a recovery for it. Right. There is you can overcome it.
Mm-hmm.
You can overcome it with another emotion. So if I'm feeling resentment, I can overturn it by feeling gratitude. Right. Now I'm grateful for this market, man. I'm grateful for, and then the next thing you know, the market starts going your way.
Absolutely. Affirm it, speak it, and accept it.
Yes.
Speak it and accept what's going on, guys. I mean, I think when you start owning that feeling in that direction, it goes your way.
Yes, sir.
When you start feeling, anxiety and it's not comfortable, document that, guys. Understand why are you feeling that. There's something about that got you feeling uncomfortable. But when you're patient and you see the setup, and especially if you're doing a buy stop or a sell stop, and you can understand you're not married to that entry point. If the market moves, adjust your move. Logically thinking through. I used to play quarterback, right? We had a 3-stop drop, and we would drop back, right? And you had options, right? If the safety is trending backwards, right, you want to throw underneath, right? If they going outside, you might want to catch them inside. You're always looking for the adjustment in the middle of the play. You know what I'm saying? While the play is happening, you have to think and adjust. Trading to me is the same way, right? When you look at how the market is moving, when you got a buy stop or a sell stop in play, if the market moves in a certain direction, you might want to adjust your entry. Don't get married to just that one entry price, because the market is constantly moving. So you have to adjust it accordingly. Yes, so when you feel that anxiety, document that, write that down for trades that you lost, or even trades that you won. Like I won trades and didn't feel comfortable, but I had to write down, why did I feel that way? You know what I'm saying? It's because some of those confirmations was looking a little off, right? And I stayed in there and I won, but it was really a dirty win. You know what I'm saying? And so you don't want those. You want as many clean wins as possible, guys.
Absolutely.
So I hope this stuff is helpful for you guys. You know what I'm saying? Because we really try to help you, not just in our education, not just how to make money, but how to become a great trader, how to become a great student. You know what I'm saying? How to be smarter than the average person just jumping in the market and throwing their money away, or just throwing their money at the market because you see other people are trading or other people are winning. But have you found out your style?
Yes.
Of how you should be trading, so you could trade consistently and be profitable consistently. A lot of people say they've been trading for years. My question has always been, how long has you been a consistent, profitable trader?
That
You know what I'm saying? That's a difference. Oh, I've been trading for 10 years. Out of those 10 years, you know what I'm saying? How many years have you been consistently profitable?
Right.
where you could save money.
That's it
take
right
care of
there.
your family. You know what I'm saying? Do what you need to do. Even if you're trading part-time outside of your job, that's cool. How long have you been consistently profitable that you can do some things that you're trading for with that trading money? Even if it's not your lifestyle money, it's money that you're assigning with this skill set to something. How long have you been doing that? Because that's the key if you really know how to do this, guys. So we hop on here not just to teach you guys how to make money. We're going to do that by educating you on what we see, but hopefully that you find yourself. You know what I'm saying?
Sure.
The whole goal of this is that you find yourself, not just mimicking us, but can you take this information from us and find you? Does that make sense, Nelson? Like,
yes, sir.
Find
Absolutely.
you and
Absolutely.
put you inside of this system, and you do the things that's necessary for you and your family. So this has been a great session, and I appreciate you guys hopping on, man. Listen, it's always a blessing to be able to come before the common unity and all of our visitors. Again, we open this up on every Tuesday and Thursday in the New York session from 9 to 10 on the extreme move of the day, just to be able to educate those people abroad that's in our common unity. If you're not a part of our common unity, please get back with the person that invited you to the broadcast. We would love to show you exactly how we do things within our company and how we educate people on a day-to-day basis. We have a nice catalog of different products that you may be able to enjoy for you and your family, but get back with the person that invited you here. Our goal is always each one teach one, and iron sharpen iron. You know, what God has blessed us to have, we don't mind giving, because it's always better to give it than it is to receive it. So every Tuesday and Thursday, we giving out sauce, we giving our heart, we giving our experiences to be able to sow good seeds into you and your family to go to the next level. So it's your boy Agent Dynamite, on the Living Legend. I'm gonna pass this over to my main man, 100 Grand from the Pipalicious Cafe, all the way in Long Beach, California, to close us out with a last introduction of the boot camp that's coming up this week. Guys, it's always been a blessing. I'm gonna kick it over to Nelson, and we're gonna close out with our outro once he's done, man. God bless you, family. All right, I'll catch you guys on next week, and we'll see you back here same time, same station on Thursday. All right, back to you, Nelson.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Family, it all comes down to this. It all comes down to this: is what is your goal in life, right? What is your goal for your family? What is the goal that you really want to accomplish in this period of time, right? If this is what you really want, go after it. Go after it consistently, right? Consistency is key with whatever you do in life, right? If this is what you want to do in life, be consistent at it, right? Consistent, right? We're on here daily. We're on here. You have us, right? We get back with the person who got with you, who invited you, but we are here. We are Xtream. All right, we are here to help our common unity, and I'll see you at the top, because the bottom is way too crowded.
Hey, we're here at our second anniversary, man, with Xtream FX Global Academy. 2 years in business, it's still growing strong. It's the new year, new beginning. It's time for a change. Xtream is the company for the future. We're cutting edge, innovative, and we're looking for some exciting people to help us get to the next level for 2023.
We have a great community that we call the Xtream FX Common Unity, where we just operate in love. We want to see everyone win. And one thing that we always say here in Xtream is that we are the founders that can be found. We want to see you succeed, and we're also going to be doing that right alongside of you.
Xtream Effect is a great investment simply because you have a way to learn about money, to make money, to gather money, and then to invest money.
To leave a generational wealth or leave a legacy for our families, we need to be able to take all of those steps.
Xtream FX provides the opportunity for growth and to work among professionals who really want you to grow.
We teach people from start to finish how to understand the chart from the economic side all the way to the analytics side.
We're literally helping people across 5 industries to generate income. So this is absolutely the place to be. Real estate, trading, financial technology. We also have a blockchain project and a very powerful affiliate marketing program.
We learn from each other. We love on each other. So this is a great place to come and just create relationships.
What made me say yes was the feeling of the common unity, knowing that you're not doing this alone and you're able to get in and make money with like-minded people.
I'm learning, I'm excited about it, and it's something that I know I can show other people as well.
Wherever you came from, we just want to say thank you and we appreciate you. We're super excited about 2023 and the year that we're going to have before. We got more events coming up, more technology, great new apparel, more strategic partnerships. We're going to make a whole lot more money, bringing a lot more students and be able to take this company to the next level. And we just want to say thank you, we appreciate you, and we're looking forward for an amazing, exciting 2023 as we take this company to the next level.